अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई एम नूरन अंसारी और आज हम समझने जा रहे हैं ऐसे द काउ, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा यूजफुल ऐसे है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। उससे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का ऐसे। इंट्रोडक्शन। द काउ इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट revered and useful animals in our society. It is a domestic animal that holds a special place in the lives of people around the world. In this essay, we will explore the significance of cows and their contributions to human life. Body. Importance in agriculture. Cows play a crucial role in agriculture. They are used as working animals, particularly in rural areas. They help plow fields, pull carts, and transport goods. Their strength and endurance make them invaluable assets to farmers, aiding in various farming activities. Milk and dairy products. Cows are primarily known for their milk production. Milk is a rich source of essential nutrients and is consumed by people of all ages. It is used to make various dairy products like butter, cheese, yogurt, and ghee. These products not only provide nourishment but also add flavor to our meals. Nutritional value. Cow's milk is considered a complete food as it contains proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals necessary for all growth and development. It is particularly beneficial for children as it promotes healthy bone and muscles development. Economic importance. The dairy industry is a significant contributor to the economy of many countries. Cows provide a livelihood for millions of people involved in milk production, processing, and distribution. The sale of milk and dairy products generate income, boost trade, and support rural communities. Religious and cultural significance. In many cultures and religions, cows are regarded as sacred animals. For example, in Hinduism, cow, cows are considered holy and are revered as a symbol of motherhood and fertility. They are often seen as a gentle and nurturing presence. Environmental impact. Cows play a role in maintaining ecological balance. They consume grass and other vegetation, which helps control overgrowth and maintain healthy ecosystems. Furthermore, cow dung serves as a valuable organic fertilizer, enhancing soil fertility and reducing the dependence on chemical fertilizers. Conclusion. The cow is a remarkable animal that holds immense significance in our lives. Its contributions to agriculture, nutrition, economy, and culture are undeniable. We must recognize and appreciate the role of cows and strive to protect and care for them. The cow is not just a farm animal, it is a gentle companion that has been an integral part of human civilization for centuries.